So here's a really nifty trick for if you want to test out JavaScript in your Storyline project before hopping into Storyline. So I have this coffee roast cards mini activity or like mini project that I created that's built in Articulate Storyline. And when I click on one of the cards here, so let's say medium roast, the screen completely fills with this kind of like beigeish brownish color. So one of the things that I like to do is to test out JavaScript on some of these things in my Google Chrome developer tools before implementing it inside of a project. So one of the things we can look at is if we right click on the very edge there off of the stage where Storyline is, we can take a peek into our developer tools here. So where I want to go is I want to go to the console, and that's where I can post JavaScript to test different things out. So this project is actually using JavaScript to change the background of this particular storyline. So when this layer gets pulled up, the background changes to that brown color. Versus the white that was on the original page. So maybe I want to test changing the background to a different color. I can do this using things like CSS, but I can also do it using things like JavaScript. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste in a line of code that I already have copied, and this is to change the document style background. So if I go ahead and paste this in, what this should do is change the background of this file. So you can do this with various different things. This is just to show you being able to change the background. So I'm going to hit return, and then you can see all around that stage is that background. So essentially I'm kind of creating this fake page where it has the whole page of brown. But in reality, if I had not used that JavaScript originally, it would be that white color. So you can use your console to test out different things in JavaScript before you put it into your Storyline project.